G'day, it's Tony from GME. In this video, we've got a really exciting new product to share with you. It's our brand new XRS Connect Handheld UHF CB Radio, known as the XRS-660. All right, so let's get stuck straight into the unboxing. When you open the XRS-660, the first thing you'll see is, of course, the radio itself. The antenna simply screws into the top of the radio using the supplied SMA fitting. Whilst this is a very powerful UHF CB radio, we've tried to keep it as compact as possible while still offering you as many features as we possibly can jam into a UHF CB handheld radio. Attached to the back of the radio is a 2,550 milliamp hour lithium battery, so really long run time for the XRS-660. We also supply a desktop charger and the AC adapter, which is everything you need to get started with your XRS-660. The XRS-660 is the most advanced UHF CB handheld radio that GME has ever produced. It is the most feature-packed UHF CB radio on the market and a product that we are really proud of. Starting with the industrial design, this radio is built tough. It's IP67 rated for water and dust ingress. It's waterproof down to a depth of 1 metre for up to 30 minutes. And of course, it's dustproof for those harsh Australian conditions that we know you operate in. The radio's also been tested to mil standard 810G for vibration and shock. Once again, we want to make sure that no matter what the conditions are that this radio experiences, it's going to give you years of trouble-free use. One of the most exciting features about the XRS-660 is the screen. You'll notice it's quite a large display compared to some of the other handheld radios that you'd be familiar with. And what's unique about this radio is it runs a Colour TFT screen. We went with the TFT, or transflective LCD, because it gives the optimum performance no matter what lighting conditions you're in. So even in harsh sunlight, you'll still be able to easily read the display using that TFT technology. Some of the other key features of the XRS-660 are the multiple programmable buttons, so you can program your favorite XRS features into the side of the radio for quick access. It's got built-in Bluetooth audio, so the radio can automatically connect wirelessly to your favorite Bluetooth audio devices, such as AirPods, headsets, or even your car stereo if you're in a vehicle. The XRS-660 also has a built-in GPS receiver. It's the only handheld in our range with a GPS receiver built in, and it opens up the world of XRS location services in a portable radio. If you've got your XRS mobile already installed in your vehicle, the XRS-660 will be able to share location information with that radio and any other XRS radio within transmission range, meaning you'll be able to see exactly where that handheld is, the person that's transmitting, how far away they are, and of course the compass heading. For commercial applications where tracking people and vehicles is ultimately important for workplace health and safety, the XRS-660 completes the system of XRS location services. As I'm sure you'll agree, the XRS-660 is the most exciting product release for GME in many years. We can't wait for you to get your hands on this product. And of course, if you need any further information, head to gme.net.au/getxrs, or feel free to drop a comment below with any questions that you may have. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all of the latest from GME.